5 seconds to start. The question, therefore, that has to be answered in this petition is as to whether there was any valid payment after the award or deposit in accordance with the provisions of Section 31 of the Land Acquisition Act, 1894, and secondly, whether the said payment did amount to a valid tender of the amount of compensation to the tenure holders or not. Stop. It has also to be seen as to whether this payment after 31 years would amount to a payment that would not attract the provisions of Section 24 within bracket 2 of the 2013 Act. Stop. In order to attract the provisions of Section 24 within bracket 2 of the 2013 Act, the fiction provided for therein of a demanded lapse has to be pressed into service, for which the necessary ingredient would be the existence of a fact which has to be contemplated in order to apply the fiction. Stop. Thus, the fact should be presumed to be in existence as on the date of the enforcement of the 2013 Act. In order to invoke the fictional clause as contained in Section 24 within bracket 2 of the 2013 Act. Stop. Agode para. The question is as to whether what should be the date of payment of compensation in order to attract the aforesaid fiction. Stop. It is here that we find that the provisions of Section 24 within bracket 2 of the 2013 Act require three conditions to be fulfilled, namely, that the award should have been made 5 years or more prior to the enforcement of the Act. Stop. The aforesaid condition is fulfilled in the present case, and the possession was also taken. The payment has been made in 2011. Stop. On a plain reading of the aforesaid provisions, the fact of payment of compensation did exist as prior to 1st of January, 2014. Stop. Thus, the existence of the said fact eliminates the possibility of invoking the fictional clause as contained in Section 24 within bracket 2 of the 2013 Act, as the payment had been tendered prior to 1/1/2014. Stop. Consequently, if the payment of compensation has been made prior to 1/1/2014, the same cannot be said to be an invalid payment unless the payment which has been made falls short of the requisite payment to which the tenure holders was entitle. Stop.